Hello. I'm going to talk to you today about the technique of figurative language, which is a way that you can help your reader understand your thought by providing a figure or picture of what you're saying. Figurative language uses what your reader already knows about the physical world to bring your private ideas to a common ground where you and your reader can share them. The idea is that all we really have in common is the evidence that we receive from our senses, from the physical world. And so, when you give your reader the opportunity to use that sensory information, he or she can most easily understand what it is you're trying to say. When you use figurative language, you can remember what you know about comparison as a discussion of two subjects and their shared aspects, the things they have in common. Figurative language compares what you want to explain with something that your reader should already know about. For example, if I tell you, "My wife is like a diamond," you'll know that she's beautiful and valuable to me the way a diamond is. I'm using qualities that you know a diamond has and applying them to my wife so you'll understand my feelings about her more accurately. My use of figurative language has told you in a direct and highly efficient way how I feel about my wife. This technique also works well to help your reader understand how you think about abstract ideas. For example, I can express different ideas about love by saying, "Love is a rose," or "Love is a drug," or "Love is a battlefield." In each case, I'm giving my reader something physical and specific to compare to the non-physical and fairly general concept of love, and I'm using the physical and specific aspects of those things to indicate very different ideas about love. Is love gentle and soft like a rose, or intoxicating and addictive like a drug, or painful and noisy like a battlefield? The difference depends on the physical thing you use to compare to that abstract idea, to give your reader the concept that you want to give him or her. This implication of shared aspects helps my reader understand my position more easily. Now finally, I want you to notice two forms of figurative language. You might have already noticed that my wife is like a diamond, but that love is a rose. This difference in form is the difference between simile and metaphor. A simile keeps some distance between its two subjects. I don't want you to believe that my wife is actually a shiny rock. I just want to show you the aspects that she and a diamond have in common. On the other hand, a metaphor creates identity between the two subjects. When I say that love is a drug, I'm saying that the two are equal, that love and a drug are in these ways the same thing. That's a strong and very effective way to make a point, and I think my reader will understand clearly from this comparison what I would think about love in this situation. I hope that this lecture will help you bring more fun to your writing by encouraging to use more figurative language. Giving your reader concrete ways to understand your abstract ideas can make both reading and writing a more enjoyable and rewarding experience. And as always, thank you for your time and attention.